The Volvo Mega Motorhome is a glimpse into the future of luxury travel, combining advanced design with compact elegance. It's not simply an RV, it's a futuristic retreat on wheels. The exterior makes a powerful first impression. Draped in metallic silver with fluid curves, it feels more like rolling architecture than a motorhome. Expansive tinted windows blend seamlessly into the body, while LED strips trace its edges, giving it a glowing presence at night. 6 sculpted wheels with illuminated rims add strength and sophistication, making it a commanding sight on highways or parked in place. Inside, the lounge sets the tone for modern minimalism. Black leather sofas with clean lines run along the sides, paired with a sleek glass table at the center. Soft LED strips along the ceiling and floor create an atmospheric glow, while a crystal-inspired chandelier adds a touch of boutique luxury. The space balances style and function, offering comfort without excess. The bedroom emphasizes rest with a low-profile bed outlined in subtle LED lighting. Dark gray bedding complements the silver and black palette, while built-in storage keeps the room uncluttered. Soft lighting ensures a calm, relaxing environment, making the space efficient yet elegant. Compact yet refined, the kitchen blends function with modern design. Metallic cabinetry hides storage behind push panels, while a slim induction cooktop and compact sink integrate smoothly into the counter. A fridge concealed in matching tones maintains the seamless aesthetic. LED strips under the cabinets add both light and polish. The bathroom extends the theme of sleek efficiency. Glossy silver walls contrast with matte black fixtures, while a frameless LED mirror adds depth. A minimalist basin sits on a metallic counter, and a glass shower with subtle lighting completes the look. Despite its compact size, it feels stylish and premium. At the heart of the motorhome is the cockpit. A sweeping black dashboard with metallic trims holds touch-sensitive digital panels, giving the driver total control. The sculpted steering wheel combines leather and metal, accented by LED outlines. 2 ergonomic black leather seats anchor the design, while a panoramic tinted windshield stretches wide, creating an expansive, futuristic command center. Performance is as impressive as the design. Powered by Volvo engineering, the Mega Motorhome delivers smooth performance and efficiency for its size. Advanced suspension ensures stability and comfort on long journeys, while Volvo's reputation for safety adds confidence behind the wheel. Of course, luxury of this caliber comes at a price. The Volvo Mega Motorhome sits in the ultra-luxury category, with costs expected to rival top-tier RVs and even push into the million-dollar range depending on customization. It's not built for affordability, but for exclusivity. Owning one means owning a statement of futuristic design and engineering. In the end, the Volvo Mega Motorhome is more than a vehicle. From the glowing exterior to the refined lounge, from the compact elegance of the kitchen and bathroom to the cockpit that feels like a spaceship, every detail has been shaped to deliver an extraordinary experience. It redefines how travel, comfort, and innovation come together on the road. The future of luxury travel isn't just about supercars or first-class flights anymore. It's about motorhomes that look like they've rolled straight out of a science fiction movie. And today we're diving into something extraordinary: the all-new Peugeot motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a bold statement in futuristic design, advanced engineering, and modern living. At first glance, the Peugeot motorhome impresses with its futuristic exterior. The aerodynamic silhouette flows smoothly from front to back, sharp lines balanced by a two-tone black and white body. Glowing red strips accent its edges, while gold-finished alloy wheels and the bold Peugeot emblem add a layer of prestige. Every detail is designed to make it stand out, turning even a simple stop on the roadside into a spectacle. Step inside and the lounge sets the tone. Deep red leather seating strikes the balance between comfort and tech-inspired design. Paired with a compact glass table and soft ambient lighting, red accents glow along the walls and ceiling, creating a cinematic atmosphere that feels stylish yet welcoming. It's the kind of space where you can relax with friends, work on the move, or simply enjoy the view outside. The bedroom continues the futuristic theme. A low-profile bed dressed in red and charcoal tones blends seamlessly with glossy storage cabinets and illuminated geometric patterns on the headboard. Vertical lights complete the cozy yet modern environment, ensuring that rest feels luxurious no matter where you park. Compact in scale, but rich in character, it proves a motorhome bedroom doesn't need to compromise. The kitchen is scaled perfectly for motorhome living, but finished with premium touches. Flush black and white cabinetry, a slim fridge, induction stove, and stainless sink provide everything needed without clutter. Reflective panels and subtle under-cabinet lighting give the space a sense of depth, while functionality remains at the forefront. It's efficient, minimal, and undeniably futuristic. Even the bathroom feels high-end. Glossy white panels meet matte black trim with a sleek glass shower, floating vanity, and frameless smart mirror. Compact but elegant, it shows Peugeot's attention to detail, balancing style and practicality. Recessed ceiling lighting brightens the space, while matte flooring adds depth and contrast, elevating what most motorhomes treat as an afterthought. In the cockpit, Peugeot's heritage as a carmaker is clear. Matte black and glossy white trim frame a wide curved digital display, while touch panels replace buttons. The sculpted steering wheel and red-stitched leather seats reinforce the premium feel, while panoramic windows flood the space with light. Sitting here feels less like driving a motorhome and more like piloting a futuristic flagship vehicle. Performance matches the looks. A robust engine system delivers smooth acceleration and confident handling for its size. Advanced suspension ensures comfort on long journeys, while noise insulation keeps the cabin quiet. Safety is top tier with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and collision detection, all working to make every drive secure and stress-free. Pricing positions the Peugeot motorhome firmly in the premium category. With its futuristic exterior, compact but luxury-filled interiors, and advanced driving technology, it competes with some of the most exclusive RVs on the market. For buyers, it isn't simply about travel. It's about making every mile part of the lifestyle. The Mercedes 2 motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a futuristic masterpiece on wheels. Designed to merge cutting-edge aesthetics with functionality and high-end luxury, it feels like the perfect blend of a spacecraft and a luxury apartment rolling effortlessly down the highway. From the outside, the Mercedes 2 demands attention. Its aerodynamic body is sculpted with sharp futuristic lines, finished in matte metallic gray with blacked-out glass panels that give it a stealthy presence. Angular LED headlights merge seamlessly into the body, while a slim grille hides advanced cooling systems. Retractable steps, flush doors, and oversized alloy wheels complete the bold look. Every detail of the exterior declares that this isn't just another RV. It's Mercedes' vision of the future. Inside, the lounge greets you with modular gray leather seating that slides and folds to adapt for dining, working, or relaxing. LED linear lighting runs across ceiling edges and beneath seating, creating a calm ambient glow that feels more like a luxury spacecraft than a motorhome. A fold-out wall table adds practicality, and hidden storage compartments keep the space uncluttered. The minimalist yet luxurious style makes it a place to unwind or work on the move. The bedroom is compact but brilliantly designed. A fold-up bed mounted against a metallic wall frame saves space while providing comfort with premium stitching and angular pillows. Matte gray wall panels hide discreet storage compartments, keeping everything neatly organized. A tinted window adds a touch of natural light, while LED strips above create a soothing atmosphere. It's like sleeping in a private capsule, compact yet elegant. The kitchen is sleek and fully integrated. Matte gray handleless cabinetry blends with the walls, while a metallic countertop conceals a flush induction stove and slim sink with retractable faucet. Appliances such as a fridge and microwave are hidden behind push panels, maintaining the futuristic flow. Subtle lighting enhances the streamlined aesthetic, offering practicality without sacrificing elegance. The bathroom, though compact, delivers a premium feel. With matte gray finishes, metallic accents, and a rainfall shower built into the ceiling, it feels like a modern spa pod. The minimalist sink, discreet storage, and ambient lighting create a calming, futuristic environment. It's efficient and luxurious in equal measure. The cockpit continues the theme of innovation. Wrapped in matte black and metallic gray, the dashboard features sharp lines and a wide digital display stretching across the driver's view. The steering module is angular, flat-bottomed, and illuminated with touch controls. Gray leather seating provides comfort, while large tinted windows offer panoramic views of the road ahead. The cockpit feels like the command center of a high-tech vessel. Performance matches the bold design. Powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, the Mercedes 2 delivers both efficiency and power. Lightweight materials and aerodynamic shaping enhance range, while adaptive suspension ensures smooth handling across highways and tighter roads alike. The driving experience is quiet, refined, and futuristic, perfect for long journeys. Of course, innovation and luxury come at a price. Falling firmly into the ultra-luxury category, the Mercedes 2 motorhome is positioned to compete with the world's most premium models. While exact figures will depend on customization, it represents an investment not only in travel but in lifestyle, mobility, elegance, and futuristic comfort, combined into one remarkable package. The future of road travel has arrived, and it comes with the BMW badge. Meet the BMW Voyager X, a motorhome that looks more like a spacecraft than anything on the highway, combining cutting-edge design with BMW's unmistakable DNA. The exterior is sculpted with precision, every curve serving both aerodynamics and performance. Its dual-tone black and white body glistens with futuristic sharpness, while a massive panoramic windshield dominates the front. Sharp LED light signatures wrap around the body, giving it motion even when still. Rolling on 6 enormous wheels with sculpted rims, it has a stance that commands attention: low, wide, powerful, and unmistakably BMW. Unlike traditional boxy RVs, the Voyager X looks built for speed and futuristic luxury. Inside, the lounge balances comfort and minimalism with BMW's signature craftsmanship. Deep leather seating lines the space, complemented by glossy trims and soft ambient lighting that creates a refined glow. The compact design is purposeful yet premium, with every surface shaped for function and style. Clever storage solutions are tucked seamlessly into walls, keeping the area open and uncluttered. It's not oversized, but it feels futuristic, efficient, and designed for modern travelers. The bedroom continues this theme with a sleek, low-profile bed framed by subtle LED strips. Dressed in premium fabrics, it creates a calming atmosphere while maintaining the Voyager X's black and white aesthetic. Integrated storage and clean wall panels keep it functional, while soft lighting makes the room feel private and luxurious. It's compact, but it feels intentional, like a first-class cabin designed for rest. The kitchen is streamlined yet elegant. Glossy cabinetry hides integrated appliances, a slim induction cooktop, and a compact stainless sink. Subtle under-cabinet lighting enhances the futuristic look while ensuring practicality on the road. Designed for quick use, it blends efficiency with luxury without losing BMW's high-tech aesthetic. The bathroom shows BMW's minimalistic luxury at its best. Black and white finishes contrast beautifully, while a frameless glass shower and slim vanity keep it open and functional. Modern fixtures and soft ambient light add spa-like sophistication to a compact space, proving luxury doesn't need to be oversized. The cockpit is where the Voyager X truly shines. A sweeping digital display spans across the dashboard, placing every control at your fingertips. The sculpted steering wheel and leather seats reinforce BMW's sporty heritage, while the panoramic windshield delivers unmatched visibility. Sitting here feels less like driving a motorhome and more like piloting a futuristic aircraft. Performance remains at the core of BMW's philosophy. Though official specs aren't confirmed, expect advanced hybrid or electric powertrains that balance efficiency with power. Six-wheel stability, aerodynamic shaping, and BMW's engineering expertise hint at handling that rivals smaller luxury vehicles. The Voyager X isn't just about reaching destinations, it's about enjoying the drive along the way. As for price, exclusivity comes at a cost. This futuristic motorhome is expected to sit firmly in the multi-million-dollar range, reserved for those seeking the ultimate statement in luxury travel. More than transportation, it's an automotive masterpiece, designed to be both collectible and functional. In a world where luxury knows no limits, Rolls Royce has redefined travel with something less of a vehicle and more of a moving palace. The all-new Rolls Royce Grand Horizon pushes the boundaries of design, technology, and opulence to new heights. The exterior is futuristic elegance at its peak, Instead of resembling a typical motorhome, it appears as a rolling piece of modern architecture. Its flawless two-tone scheme of glossy silver and deep black creates a bold, sophisticated contrast. At the front, a massive panoramic windshield sweeps upward, seamlessly integrated into the roofline. Embellished with the glowing Rolls Royce badge and iconic lettering, it makes a statement of prestige before the wheels even move. Aerodynamic lines flow from front to rear like a superyacht gliding across a highway, while oversized golden alloy wheels shimmer with every ray of light. It is not just transport, it is a spectacle of design and exclusivity. Inside, the transformation from futuristic exterior to luxurious interior is seamless. The lounge sets the tone. Compact but crafted with Rolls Royce precision. Deep gray leather seats stitched with golden thread wrap around the lounge in an angular yet welcoming layout. A brushed aluminum coffee table with golden trim anchors the space, while ambient LED lighting creates a futuristic yet intimate mood. Every inch feels purposeful and unforgettable, balancing comfort and modern design. The bedroom continues the theme of compact grandeur. The bed, modest in size, is dressed in the finest fabrics with a polished black angular headboard and golden inlays. Hidden wall storage keeps the room uncluttered, while subtle ceiling lighting enhances the calming atmosphere. Though compact, the space feels royal, focused on serenity and refinement. The kitchen turns practicality into art. Countertops are finished in brushed black stone with golden trim, while sleek, handle-free cabinets glide open at a touch. A compact cooking unit, refrigerator, and storage solutions are seamlessly integrated into the walls, keeping surfaces clean and modern. Subtle LED strips ensure visibility without disturbing the premium aesthetic. The bathroom extends efficient luxury. Its high-gloss angular sink is paired with a brushed gold faucet, while a futuristic shower glows with integrated LED strips inside transparent panels. The toilet blends seamlessly into the design, and glossy reflective surfaces enhance the perception of space. Despite its size, it feels like a high-end sanctuary designed with precision. At the heart of the Grand Horizon is the cockpit. The dashboard, finished in matte silver with golden trim, flows in sharp futuristic lines. Touchscreens stretch across the console, controlling navigation, systems, and entertainment. The angular steering module combines style with function, while ergonomic leather seats ensure long-distance comfort. A vast panoramic windshield offers an expansive view, making the cockpit feel more like a spacecraft command center than a driving cabin. Performance is as refined as the design. Equipped with advanced propulsion, the Grand Horizon glides smoothly, its suspension absorbing imperfections with ease. Acceleration is brisk, and its multiple wheel configuration ensures stability. Golden alloy wheels paired with performance tires provide grip and refinement, making it equally confident on highways or tighter routes. Finally, the Grand Horizon commands exclusivity through its price. With estimates in the multi-million-dollar range, it is built for the ultra-elite who demand not only functionality, but also the pinnacle of status and sophistication. Ownership is less about necessity and more about claiming a moving symbol of wealth, innovation, and timeless prestige. The Rolls Royce Grand Horizon redefines luxury travel. From its breathtaking exterior to its meticulously designed interiors, from the futuristic cockpit to refined performance, it sets a new benchmark in motorhomes. More than a vehicle, it is a vision of the future of travel, wrapped in the unmatched legacy of Rolls Royce.